So then I took them on the subway, which always gets me where I need to go. But the subway, it's left us off in this very strange place. And I just have no fucking clue where we are. Do you think I should ask my friends for some help? You know, all my deepest and most loyal friends. You know, all my British gay boys. Boys? Sing it!